Hi. Very often people ask this question as to how late is too late for career counseling or planning a career. I say that it is never too late. And the reason behind is that career is a continuous thing. Career planning is a continuous process. It is a series of decisions taken over a time period, which lead to career success, or which will take you someplace, will help you achieve your goals. So since it is a continuous process and decisions are to be taken at different stages in life, at any given point in time you can actually take help of career counseling, or you can plan your career. It is never too late. Although because it's a continuous process and these are series of decisions which are linked to each other, the sooner you do it, the better it is. The best is to begin right before you've chosen your stream, especially when you're in class 10th and just about to choose your stream in class 11th. That perhaps is the best time to go for an exercise like this. Not only your personal attributes like aptitude have concretized by then, but because you are beginning to take the first most important decision pertaining to your career, that is the best time to go for career planning or career counseling. But if you've already chosen a stream, you're in class 12th, then also it's not too late. You've just covered 2 years, you've taken a particular subject stream, but after every stream, whether it is science or commerce or humanities, there are so many career options which are available to you. There are some career options which are available equally to people from all the career streams. So they anyways are open for you. So then also you can plan for and think about depending on my strengths, now that I've chosen this particular stream, which is the best course ahead, or which is the best course that I can do. Next step ahead. You're already in your graduation or just about to complete your graduation and are contemplating with this fact that I chose a wrong course. What am I going to do? Where am I going to be? No issues, no problems. Still, after graduation also, there are many higher education options available to you. There are many, more generic job or career options available to you that you can always take up. So still also, you can plan for your career, you can take career counseling and plan ahead, what is the best course available for you. Even if you have started working, 1 or 2 years of your initial jobs, then also, nothing has been lost. Still you can think about what are your higher education options available, what are the skills that you can still top up to better your job or career prospects. So because at every career stage or at every life stage or with any type of educational background, you have many options to choose from, it is never too late to go for a career counseling, because that will actually help you to plan ahead and reach your goals. Thank you.